Pooh, you are my subscriber spotlight. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. Sending you a huge air hug. Hey lovies, thank you for coming back to see me. So today I am going to be demoing the new dip powder Mefa, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. But I'm going to be demoing the colors, new recent colors that I got. It was a 6 powder dip set, and it came with a set of blues. And there's one green in there. And if you haven't seen that video, be sure you catch that. I videoed where I unboxed it to show you guys the colors and everything that was in the 6-piece set. Like, this set was $16. I picked it up off of Amazon, and so today I picked out 3 colors that I'm going to be trying. I am going to be using my Lavender Violets base coat and activator and top coat. So I'm going to use the Lavender Violets. I do have a video on that as well, so you guys will be sure to check it out. I've just been trying to get my overhead shot right for you guys, so that one, I think this one will be a little bit better. I think you guys will enjoy this one. If there's something that I need to fix, or you guys can't really see everything really well, please leave it down in the comments and let me know. I also will be using the GH Dip Powder. Here is clear, and I will be using this when I use colors on my nails. And it's good too, just to have a nice clear coat on the bottom of your nails if you want to try this. This actually came in a set, a dip powder set, which I will be reviewing for you guys, or unboxing for you guys. That video will be coming. So yeah, so this is what we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to open up these. I'll go ahead and open these up. I'm going to take it off camera a little bit because it's been given a little bit of spillage. That means that the top on these are not quite right, but anyway. So I'll open that one. I'll open this one up. And I think I'm also going to use the glitter. This is like, oops, I'm going to take it off camera a little bit. It's getting that spillage everywhere. I don't want glitter everywhere all over my disc. Okay. Alright, so we're going to use these 3 colors. Alright, looks like I got a little bit in the blue there, but we're not going to worry about it. I think it'll be okay. I'll just get that off there. A little OCD about having everything nice and neat. So forgive me. Alright, so we're going to use these 3 colors. I will link them down in the description, because one thing about this company is the colors are not on there. They just have, actually what they have is just the numbers on the bottom. So I will link the actual color down in the description so you guys can see that. I'm going to use the GH Dip again. I'm going to open that up. So we'll be going in with this one first. Okay, that is the clear. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and use I've already got my nails all nice and ready. I have cleaned up my cuticle areas, and I actually trimmed my nails back because they had grown out quite a lot. And so I went ahead and trimmed everything down. And yeah, so now we're just gonna go ahead and with the base coat. All right, just remember, you guys, if you've seen my video before, you just want to go in with nice, even, thin coats. Don't have a lot of, and then you want to go up to the cuticle and try to fan that brush out. So that way, your cuticle is not all. Now, today I'm going to dip it in at a 45-degree angle, dip it out, tap it off, nice and neat. The video that I did when I tried some of the Lavender Violets, the first Lavender Violet, no, let's see, not the first one, it was a glitter set that I put on. I actually I didn't have a scooper, but I used a small spoon and poured it on my nails. And so today I'm gonna try it this way, which is right out of the actual jar, because again, I'm the only one who uses these. So, okay. All right, now we're gonna just go right on and do this, do all the nails. Again, you wanna just do nice, even coats, okay? Nice, even coats, not too thick, nice and thin. And this will be just a nice clear base coat, okay? You don't wanna push up against the powder, you just wanna dip it in, take it out, okay? I'm not an expert by any means. I'm just sharing with you guys what has been working for me. I'm just so excited to be able to do my own nails. I really enjoy it. And it's very nice to save some coins, if you understand what I mean. Now, I will tell you guys, in a video that I did trying the Labrador Violence glitter powder that I used, I tried this peel off base coat. It's actually, I'll put it in here so you guys can see it. It's called UNT, U-N-T. It's ready for takeoff. It's a peelable base coat. And basically what this does, I'll take it out so you guys can see it. Basically what this does, it allows you to have a, like it says, a peelable base coat. Now, when you use this, your nails will not last any longer than probably a day or two. But I probably will be using this quite often just so I can bring you guys different colors and things. And it really helps with your nail because it doesn't, it's almost like popping off a the press-on nails. That's kind of what it gives you, if that makes sense at all. So yeah, it doesn't damage your nails at all. It comes off very easy, but they will only stay on probably a day or two. Anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know that because I did use it in the last video, but I'm not going to use it in this one. So I'm going to just rock this manicure for a couple days or about a week. Okay, again, you want to be sure you don't go too close to your cuticle. You just want to get as close as you can and then fan it out. Press that brush down so you don't crowd up your cuticle area. Okay, and then we're just gonna dip it in. Okay. And press it off. I'm sorry, not press it off, but tap, 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 tap. Okay. All right, so we're done with that. We'll go ahead and close that up and put it to the side. All right, now I think what I'm gonna do, guys, is I am going to do my thumb. I think I'm gonna do my two thumbs, the light blue color, and then I'll do these two fingers, the glitter color, and I'll do this one that color. Okay, so we're gonna move these back. I'm gonna do these right here. All right, so I'm gonna do the glitter last, so that way, all right, so we're gonna go in with another layer of your base. Nice and thin, guys, nice and thin. Now when I get to this point, before I stick it back into my base, I start wiping it, pressing it off on the side on a paper towel, because that way it doesn't get your, it keeps your base from getting all gunky and gooey. Okay, that looks pretty good. Totally out of my comfort zone, but I think that I think it'll work. We're gonna just try and see. Let me just dust that off too. I'm gonna dust off let me dust off because I didn't do that with the last one. Just take a nice fluffy brush and dust it off. Dust off that powder from the last time. Okay, now here we go. Nice thin coat. Nice and thin. I hope you guys can see that. When you get close to the cuticle, you just want to press it and fan it out. Okay, get as close as you can. Fan it out. I'm just dabbing it off on a paper towel here before I stick it back into my jar. Remember, you want to hold your finger kind of like at a 45-degree angle. Let's see. Like that. And just dip it in. Okay. Take it out. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. That's really pretty. Okay. So we're going to give that a second. I'm going to go ahead and do my pinky, because I'm going to do that with the other blue, and then we're going to put 2 coats of each on, and then I will do the glitter last. I really want to bring these videos to you guys because I hope you will try doing your own nails. It's really easy and it's fun. Okay, so we're going to go in with this blue. I got a little glitter in there, so. These bottles, the lids are not really, they're not so nice. Okay. See? Okay. Now we're going to take our brush and we're going to just dust off that color there. I'm going to dust it off good. Okay. Alright, now we're going to go back in with our second coat. Alright, let's go ahead on and get it done. I think it's going to be cute. Oh my gosh. Alright, so. Remember, you want to go up to that cuticle there and fan it out. Doing your nails at home, guys, is just like if you were painting your fingernails. Just a couple more steps, but you can do it. You can do it. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, so be sure if you're not following me on Instagram, Facebook, or if you're not subscribed, stay tuned. Now with this color, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go around the cuticles just a little bit. Just go around there to clean it out. I normally do that on all of them anyway, but they came out kind of clean. The other ones did, so I'm just going to go around there just a little bit because this glitter is a little gritty like. Okay. I'm just going to go around my cuticle there. Just around there with the orange stick. Okay, and clean it up. Okay, I didn't do these because these were really nice and clean, so, but that glitter will sometimes sink down in your cuticle area, so. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to let you just go ahead and finish watching me from here on out. If you have any questions at all, please hang out down in the comments, talk to me. I'm happy to help you however I can and answer any questions that you may have. I'm not an expert by any means with this dip powder. I'm learning new tips and tricks every time I do it. So practice, 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 and I'm learning, so I'm bringing that to you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I just want to pause and say thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. I truly appreciate you. I'm almost at 450 subscribers to my family here on YouTube, and I'm excited. I'm so excited for what 2021 has to bring, and I hope you will continue along in the journey. So with that being said, if you have not subscribed yet to this video, or if you've not liked it yet, go ahead and do it now. You're still with me, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. Okay, all right, you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Stay at the end of the video. I'll show the actual finished look, so be sure you hang on with me now to the end of the video so you can see how these beautiful colors look when they're all finished. All right, okay, so you guys stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.